Hi guys, I'm back again with another recipe and today we are going to make a two ingredient chocolate mousse. The first ingredient is of course chocolate. The second is not milk, not fresh cream, not even whipping cream. It is water. Yes, it's water. This recipe is inspired by Chef Helston and I'm going to be demonstrating how to make this.
So we start with taking 9 cubes of chocolate. I am taking Amul chocolate which is 55% dark. It's necessary you take 55% dark and above chocolate for this recipe. And 1/4 cup of boiled water. Remember the water should be hot. Break the chocolate and put it in a bowl. Pour the boiled hot water over the chocolate. Let it sit for 10-15 seconds and then start to mix it up. Keep mixing till there is no lumps of chocolate in the water. Now I'm going to take a ice bath. It's just a bowl with lots of ice. Now I'm going to place my chocolate bowl over the ice bowl and start mixing it again. The mixture will slowly start to thicken. We continue to mix till it becomes really nice and stiff. The mixture has now become thick. I'm going to remove it from the ice bath and mix it for another 30 seconds. It's necessary not to overmix your mixture or the mousse will become grainy. I'm going to stop it at this stage and start to plate it. I'm going to top the mousse with some crushed Oreo biscuits. You can use whatever you like. And it's ready. Remember to eat it fresh.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you